So, this is the first time that I'm going to speak about my professional and personal life here on this platform. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, my name is Vasna and I am a HR professional by day and an artist by night. At this time, I'm very excited because I'm going home and I'm going to start my art. So, let's get it started. I wanted to start this channel to share my passion for clay and resin art, but let me tell you, it was not always like this. My daily routine are very hectic and I hardly found time for myself. But my love for the art helped me to stay focused and productive, whether it's sculpting a new piece or packing the orders. It gives me motivation and strength to be focused and energetic at work all the time. As I have already taken a lot time sharing my story, now let's complete this cute funny with me. To support my artwork, please subscribe my channel for more videos. I hope you enjoyed all. See you next time. Bye bye.